You can continue the right here on this PI Kids Free Movie Night. Continue single things in the van, continue. Okay, find us in the van, stretching the power. PI Kids Free Movie Night. Standing on Starlight, the power was 12. Right now, fingers single standing got seen.
Clifford is funded in part by a ready-to-learn grant from the U.S. Department of Education through the Corporation for Public Broadcasting.
Always growing. That's why Kick Cereal supports PBS and Clifford for helping kids to feed their curious appetites. Why are these kids laughing? Why not? Fun and the joy of learning are essential to growing up, and we're proud to play our part at Chuck E. Cheese's by supporting children's public television, where a kid can be a kid.
And by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.
Starland's energy crisis, we thought we'd grant some wishes on Wish World and poof, everything would be fixed. But no, Leona's cuff broke and she didn't get a power crystal. Hopefully, when Gemma finishes her mission, we can finally save Starland.
Clifford says be the best red dog on your block. Visit your local library to discover all kinds of books, both big and small.
Dig up more fun with Clifford and his friends at pbskids.org or America Online, keyword PBS Kids.
Now the beloved book series Clifford the Big Red Dog comes to TV. We're with Clifford and his best friend Emily Elizabeth.
I always have fun with Clifford.
So join in the fun and catch Clifford the Big Red Dog.
Clifford is funded in part by a ready-to-learn grant from the U.S. Department of Education through the Corporation for Public Broadcasting.
Kicks thanks you for joining us, where the fun of learning is kid-tested, mother-approved. All kinds of wonderful things happen when you play together. That's why we believe in and proudly support PBS Kids TV. Chutes and Ladders, one of my first games from Milton Bradley.
Why are these kids laughing? Why not? Fun and the joy of learning are essential to growing up, and we're proud to play our part at Chuck E. Cheese's by supporting children's public television, where a kid can be a kid.
And by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.
Agent Cookie! Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to write your name. This message will self-destruct in 10 seconds. 10.
Get children excited about learning letters by encouraging them to write their names.
5, 4, 2, 1.
PBS Kids Ready to Learn. We're getting kids ready